And before we wrap, Brian, one of the things we like to do is share something we refer to as the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun.
I think you're going to make fun of me for this one.
Oh, Jesus.
You know what, though? I like it a lot. So I utilize batteries in my life every day, especially when I was doing a lot more photography. I was utilizing batteries in my flashes. As real estate professionals, I'm sure you utilize AA's, AAA's, and things like, I don't think the lock boxes have them anymore, but like your measuring tape and all that sort of stuff. And so I have gotten away from these, but then I realized not all batteries are created equal. I remember this as I'm replacing batteries in my kids' toys every other day, and they're all screwed in there, so I've got to get the screwdriver and do this whole thing. So recently I remembered there are batteries, they're lithium batteries, they're lithium AA batteries, and there's the alkaline batteries, there's rechargeable batteries, but the lithium batteries, what are great about them is they're super long lasting. I would use these in my flash and my camera, and they would last 3, 4, 5 times longer than my AA batteries. And so I love having these batteries, especially in something that you're going to use every day. Like I said, your little laser pointer, measuring tape, or anything that you're using that it would really suck if you're out in the field and the batteries die. I use the energy ones. You can tell that they're the lithium batteries. They're all silver and they're a lot lighter. I don't know why, but they are. But that's my widget, is the lithium AA batteries. Kyle hates it. You know what? I don't care. I use them. I bought them. I like them. I'm sorry.
Way to add a lot of value.
They're great batteries.
I believe you.
Especially for like my kid's nightlight that goes out every like 4 nights and they freak out. I'm like, I need a new battery.
You got to get one that plugs in the wall, dude.
They don't like that one.
All right, mine. This is just a little subtle feature update that Facebook made recently that
This is so dumb.
Appreciate. So one of the things, there's a lot of times you're running and gunning, you're busy, but you see like a post in a Facebook group or something like that, and you're like, oh, I want to find out what people have to say about that. So there used to be something that was like follow this post or get notified, something like that. They've added something to it. So there's actually 2 versions of this now. So if you see a post that you like, you can hit the 3 little dots up in the top right-hand corner. And then you're going to go to get notified about this post. And there's now 2 options in there. There never used to be 2. One option is to get notified when anytime there's a comment on a post. So there's been many times I've seen something in a group and I'm like, I don't have a response to this, but I want to see what other people have to say. So that's where I would use the get notified. Then in addition to that, there's a reminder about this post. So that I would use in a scenario where there's a post in a group and I want to say something, but I just don't have the time to say it in the moment. And I want to come back to it. Maybe I want to think through my response. Maybe I'm a 49ers fan and I'm pissed off and I want to say something to a Chiefs fan, but maybe I don't want to say it when I'm heated in the moment. I want to come back to it later. Like you hit the remind me later, and then you could tell it when you want it to remind you so you can come back to it and craft a post. So just a subtle little change that Facebook made not too long ago that I've actually found to be really valuable, right? Back in the day, people used to type like parked or put a period or following. Like you don't have to do any of that. Like just get notified about this post. You'll get notified about the post without having to put a stupid comment in there. Basically, when you do that, you're just telling people you're technologically illiterate.
But you're also helping people out. If you're adding comments to their posts, you're helping the algorithm.
I don't know if a period helps. I don't know if Facebook's like, yeah, that's great content. Somebody commented period on it. So using both the get notified and schedule to later. I love both of those features in Facebook. Cool, guys. Well, again, hopefully we added a lot of value for you this week. I'm Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group and eXp Realty in San Diego.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.